Let's go, go, go on a big world adventure. Let's go, go, go explore with Thomas and his friends. Let's go, go, go and meet new friendly faces. The world's just a train ride away. Big world, big, big adventures. Thomas and friends, big world, big adventures. Let's discover the world, but where should we begin? There are so many places. Let's get the globe a spin. You love the hometown that you know, but you wanna see some more. It's time to go, go, go. Get ready to explore. Let's go, go, go on a big world adventure. Let's go, go, go explore with Thomas and his friends. Let's go, go, go and meet new friendly
Wow,
faces.
this guy has gotten a long way. Tonight we're gonna draw a Carnotaurus.
Just pick a direction and let the music play. Talk with people you meet, discover things you never knew.
One of the newest characters for one of the newest dinosaurs for Jurassic World Live. This guy got his first debut on a bunch of movies. But mostly, I'm proud of the one known as Jurassic World Live.
Cause there may be twists and turns on the tracks. Keep moving forward, no looking back. Discovery, each day will bring big adventures for you. Let's go, go, go on a big world adventure. Let's go, go, go explore with Thomas and his friends.
Nope. I brought my special amber fossil to show that it came from Jurassic Park. Anyway, Carnotaurus has these arms that are a bit smaller than a T-Rex, but that doesn't stop him. He's always a reliable and strong ally and strong dinosaur. Alexa, play Celestial.
Here's Celestial by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced
Here's his
on a
horns.
razor blade. We are designed to love and
This
break.
guy's supposed to be based on a
Rinse
prehistoric
and
bull.
repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. Know your
Alexa,
arms.
what is Carnotaurus?
Carnotaurus is a genus of theropod dinosaur that lived in South America during the Late Cretaceous period, probably sometime between 71 and 69 million years ago. The only species is Carnotaurus sastrei. Known from a single well-preserved skeleton, it is one of the best understood theropods from the southern hemisphere.
Celestial.
This is body.
I see the light shining through the rain. 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back round?
There we go.
Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm driving
That is how you draw a Carnotaurus. Yes, I know he looks a bit like Brontosaurus, but who am I to judge? Every dinosaur I draw is amazing.
We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters.
Let me know what new dinosaur you want me to draw next. I've got hundreds more carnivore-related animals in the past. What can I say? We're never going to stop evolving. Sure, I know. I've drawn up a lot of dinosaurs. Now it looks like I've drawn up every dinosaur that was seen in the well, you get the idea. Anyway, that's all for now. Alexa, name a few more theropod dinosaurs.
From azanimals.com. The Spinosaurus, Allosaurus, and Tyrannosaurus rex are among the dinosaurs in the theropod suborder, Saurischia.
That's all of them. Got it.